very warm welcome to Math Simplified by HM. Today we are going to simplify a beautiful circle theorem. Why a line from the center that bisects a chord must meet at a 90-degree angle. Please like, share and subscribe to join our learning community. Make sure to click that bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Ready? Grab a notebook, pause whenever you need to, and let us get started. The theorem, the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Setting the stage. Given a circle with center O, chord AB, point M is the midpoint of AB, that means AM is congruent to MB. To prove that segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. In other words, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degree. Construction blueprint. To bridge the gap, we construct two triangles by drawing radii from the center to the chord's endpoints. Here we have drawn OA and OB as the two radians to the chord AB's endpoint. Now establishing the congruence. Now in triangle OMA and in triangle OMB, OA is congruent to OB, radii of the same circle. Segment AM is congruent to segment MB, given M is the midpoint, and segment OM is congruent to segment OM common side. Therefore, triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB by SSS Congruence Test. The angle consequence. Because the triangles are identical, angle OMA is congruent to angle OMB. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, triangle OMA, congruent triangle OMB. The linear pair property. Line AB is the straight line creating a linear pair. Therefore, we have angle OMA plus angle OMB is equal to 180 degree. Just we have shown that angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. Therefore, 2 times angle OMA is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to 90 degree. Thus, we have shown OM is perpendicular to AB. The line drawn through the center of circle to bisect a chord is indeed perpendicular to the chord, and that brings us to our final elegant conclusion by simply drawing the radii OA and OB. We successfully uncovered the truth behind our circle theorem. Before you go, reflect on this thought. Your dedication is the center, your hard work is the chord. When you align them, you achieve perfection. You all did an amazing job with the SSS Congruence Test today. Please like, share this video with your well-wishers and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click the bell icon to keep your math skills sharp with our latest uploads. Enjoy the great time, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Thanks all again.